Hello everyone! For making this fridge magnet, go to spotifycodes.web.app. To learn more, you can click here and get to know how to scan Spotify code and have an idea of ways you can use it. Now, to create your own template, you need a song URL. For that, go to Spotify, choose your song and copy the song link. Now, paste it here. Now, choose your photo. Select the background color. Choose one of the icons color and see preview. If it seems okay to you, download it. And that's it. Our image is ready. You can take print of it in your preferred size. Now, to make the base, take M-seal, a balun or rolling pin. I have covered it with plastic sheet so that it don't get spoiled. Mix the epoxy compounds and start rolling. You don't need to be a roti specialist for this. Just make sure it is not very thin and is large enough for the print to fit into it. Now, remove the extra. Take two magnets and stick it to M-seal using white glue and let it dry. After 2 hours or when it has hardened, peel off the sheet from it. Now, take a piece of sandpaper and smoothen the edges. Now we can paint it. I am using Mod Podge to stick the photo. You can use glue also. Spread it evenly. Carefully paste it and remove all air bubbles. You can apply Mod Podge over it to give it a glossy finish. And done! I know the print are smudged a bit, so I tried to apply Mod Podge using small strokes and they came out pretty well. So we are done. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep bringing your imagination into being.